Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to transfer everything from an old MacBook to a new MacBook. To do, you can firstly open your MacBook, then after the country selection page will be open. So you can click on continue. Then after the window will be open to transfer your data to this Mac. So you can transfer your data from another Mac or Windows PC. If you don't want to transfer from computer, you can use a backup or startup desk to set up this Mac without transferring your data. So here you will see all options. For you can from a Mac to a machine. To do, you can select the first option. Here you will see if you want it to copy from Windows, you can select second or you can set up as new. So I am choosing first option. Now here it will ask you to select the written and spoken language. So keep it both. Now here it will ask you to accessibility center. So you can tap on it to set up your accessibility, and then also you can tap here not now to skip this. Then after select your Wi-Fi network and connect with a Wi-Fi. Then enter the passcode. Once you enter, click on continue. Okay. Now it will connecting to your network. After here you will see a data and privacy. Okay, you can learn more about it. Then click on continue. Now you can transfer information to this Mac. Then after you can open your old MacBook and then go to Spotlight and then search migration. Okay, and then open the migration assistant here. Then after on your old MacBook, you can click on continue. And now it will ask you to enter the passcode. So you can enter the passcode and then click on continue. Okay, now the migration assistant window will be open here. So it will closing all the applications. Okay, once it will close all the applications, here you will see a new window will be open. Now here you can select the third option to another MacBook, because you can transfer the data from your old MacBook to your new MacBook M4. Okay, now you can select to another MacBook and then click on continue. Once you can click on continue, you can connect. It will ask you to connect with the AC adapter. Okay, I will do it. Connect to the charger, and then after here you will see in your new MacBook M4, here you will see your previous MacBook name. Then you can tap on it and now click on continue. Okay, now you will see here the code appears on the screen. Okay, now here make sure that the same password will be appear on the both MacBook. If the password doesn't match, you can click back. Now the password is matched. Now you can click on continue. Okay, now it will transferring the data from your old MacBook to your new MacBook. Okay, so this process sometimes take a time. Okay, in your new MacBook, here you will see a window will be open. Here it will ask you to transfer which data would you like to transfer to this Mac. So I am choosing all data. Okay, once I choose all, you can click on continue. Okay, and now here it asks you to set the passcode. You can set the passcode. So I am choosing passcode. Then confirm this passcode. And now click on set passcode. Okay, once the passcode is set, you can click on continue. Okay, now make sure that write down this password. It will assign our default password to our Mac ports. Then click on continue, because okay, now it will starting up. Now it will transferring data from old to the new MacBook. Here you will see on your both MacBooks. The transferring is under process. So to fast forward this process, you can connect your both MacBook with a Type-C or Thunderbolt cable. I connected both with using a Thunderbolt. You will see here current is a Ethernet. Now the transfer will be faster. Then after once the migration is completed, so sorry, I just skipped the migration complete page. Your both MacBook will be restart. Okay, and this is your new MacBook. Once it will restart, now it will ask you to set up your Apple ID, your fingerprint passcode. Okay, anything that they need. So once you unlock it, now it will ask you to do like app sign in, okay, security, setup Siri, and many things. Okay, now you can see how we can easily transfer our data from my old MacBook to the new MacBook. Goodbye.